Drink it.
Nancy, it's the fun.
You wouldn't notice a muddy elephant in the snow.
$6 a week, what do I get? Heartache! Nothing but heartache! All I'm saying is that there are some things beyond the ken of mortal man that shouldn't be tampered with. We don't know everything, Andy. There's plenty going on right now in the Twilight Zone that we don't know anything about, and I think we ought to stay clear.
Holy! This proves just one thing. You want a good suit, you gotta go to Mount Pilot.
Well, for my money, it's got all the facial characteristics of a criminal. You know, the narrow chin and the eyes close together and slack jaw with a prominent overbite. During our lifetime, we travel many roads.
Morning, lady. My goodness, don't you look happy.